Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain trigonometry problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. Find the value of sin square alpha plus cos square alpha plus beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta cos alpha plus beta. Okay, write first sin square alpha. In this one cos alpha plus beta take out common. Cos alpha plus beta. Okay, so cos alpha plus beta into right remaining cos alpha plus beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta. Now this value sin square alpha plus cos alpha plus beta into we have cos alpha plus beta formula. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta. Okay, so this will be sin square alpha plus cos alpha plus beta into 1 sin alpha sin beta get cancelled. Cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Okay, cos alpha plus beta cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. This is nothing but cos A minus B formula, cos alpha minus beta. So this will be sin square alpha plus cos alpha plus beta into this is cos alpha minus beta formula. Now I say that sin square alpha we have cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta cos square alpha minus sin square beta. Cos square alpha minus sin square beta. Okay, this will be cos square alpha plus sin square alpha value 1 minus sin square beta. This is nothing but cos square beta. So what is the answer? Cos square beta. Let us go to the next problem. One condition is given x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. So tan alpha, tan beta, tan gamma values are given. Then we have to find alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay. So this type of problems, let us take substitution method. So let us take x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1. Okay. Now first we have to find r square value. X square plus y square plus z square. This value will be 3. R is equal to root 3. So r square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. We get 3. R is equal to root 3. Okay. So what is tan alpha? Tan alpha value given xy by zr. Where x value 1, y value 1, z value 1, r value root 3. So 1 by root 3. Therefore alpha is equal to 30 degrees. Tan alpha value 1 by root 3. Therefore alpha value 30. Next similarly we have to find tan beta yz by xr. So y value 1, z value 1, x value 1, r value root 3, 1 by root 3. So beta is equal to 30 degrees. So similarly tan gamma is equal to zx by yr. This will be 1 by root 3. So gamma is equal to 30 degrees. But our target is alpha plus beta plus gamma. This is required. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Therefore 30 plus 30 plus 30 is equal to, so what is the answer? 90 degrees. 90 or pi by 2. Let us go to the next problem. In triangle PQR, angle R is equal to pi by 2. If tan P by 2, tan Q by 2 are the roots of this equation ax square plus bx plus c, then so 4 options are given. Okay. In triangle PQR, P plus Q plus R is equal to 180. So sum of angles equal to 180. But in statement Angle R is equal to 90. R is equal to 90 given. Therefore, P plus Q plus 90 is equal to 180. Therefore, P plus Q is equal to 180 minus 90. This will be 90 degrees. Okay. In the statement, tan P by 2, tan Q by 2 are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c. First divide 2 on both sides. Divide 2 on both sides. P by 2 plus Q by 2 is equal 90 by 2 value 45. Okay. We should apply tan on both sides. Tan of P by 2 plus Q by 2 is equal to tan 45 value 1. We have tan A plus B formula. Tan A, tan P by 2 plus tan B, tan Q by 2. This whole divided by 1 minus tan P by 2 into tan Q by 2 is equal to 1. So tan P by 2 plus tan Q by 2. Okay. Where tan P by 2, tan Q by 2 are the roots of this equation. So sum of roots formula we have minus B by A. So minus B by A. In denominator 1 minus tan P by 2 into tan Q by 2. Okay, product of roots formula C by A. So this will be equal to 1. So let us do LCM minus B by A. So LCM is A minus C by A. 1A get cancelled. Okay, let us do cross product. Minus B is equal to A minus C. Therefore C is equal to minus B, bring the right side, A plus B. So C is equal to A plus B, correct answer. Option 1 correct. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So one condition is given. Then we have to find 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Okay. So let us take x cos theta equal to y cos theta plus 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 is this value 120. So z cos theta plus 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 value 240 is equal to k. Okay. So let us take x cos theta is equal to k. X cos theta equal to k. But our target is 1 by x. So 1 by x is equal to, from this equation 1 by x is equal to cos theta by k. Cos theta by k is equal to 1 by x. Okay, this x divide on right side. So similar remaining, we should take this condition, this relation y cos theta plus 120 is equal to k. Therefore, cos 120 plus theta by k is equal to 1 by y. Okay. Next, z is equal to cos z cos theta. Z cos theta plus 240 is equal to k. Therefore, cos 240 plus theta by k is equal to 1 by z. But our target is 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Okay. So our target is required 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to, so cos theta by k plus cos 120 plus theta by k plus cos 240 plus theta by k. 1 by k take out common, cos theta, cos 120 plus theta plus cos 240 plus theta. Okay. So this will be 1 by k times of cos theta. We have cos A plus B formula. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is also same. Cos 240 plus theta by using cos A plus B formula. Okay, this continuation 1 by k times of cos theta. We have cos A plus B formula, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay, cos 120 cos theta minus sin 120 sin theta plus cos 240 plus theta also same, cos A cos 240 cos theta minus sin 240 sin theta. Okay. First we have to find cos 120 and cos 240 as well as sin 120 sin 240. Okay. Cos 120 value, right, cos 90 plus 30. Cos 90 plus 30 value minus sin 30. cos 90 plus theta minus sin 30, this value will be minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now cos 240. This 240 can be written as 270 minus 30. Cos 270 minus 30. So cos 270 minus 30 is minus sin 30. This is also minus 1 by 2. Okay, 270 minus, this is third coordinate, cos is minus. Next, sin 120, sin 240. So sin 120 value, sin 120 is equal to, this written as sin 90 plus 30. Okay, sin 90 plus theta is cos theta, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Next, sin 240. We have to find sin 240. Sin 240 means 270 minus, right, 30 degrees. So sin 270 minus theta, 270 minus third quadrant, sin is minus. Okay, this is minus cos 30, minus root 3 by 2. Okay, therefore this continuation 1 by k times of cos theta, cos 120 value minus 1 by 2 cos theta, sin 120 value root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 sin theta. Okay, cos 240 value minus 1 by 2, this is cos theta, minus sin 240 value minus root 3 by 2 sin theta. So minus into minus, plus root 3 by 2 sin theta, plus root 3 by 2 sin theta, minus root 3 by 2 sin theta get cancelled. Okay, cos theta, minus 1 by 2 cos theta, minus 1 by 2 cos theta, minus cos theta, plus cos theta get cancelled. So 1 by k times of 0. So answer is 0. Let us go to the next problem. Sin A plus sin B equal to root 3 times of cos B minus cos A given. Then we have to find sin 3A plus sin 3B. Okay. First we have to find A, the relation between A and B. Okay. Sin A plus sin B equal to this root 3 multiply with cos B minus cos A. Root 3 cos B minus root 3 cos A. Okay. This minus root 3 cos A bring the left side. My plus sin B bring the right side. So sin A plus root 3 times of cos A equal to root 3 cos B minus sin B. Okay. So divide 2 on both sides. Divide 2 on both sides. So sin A, this 1 by 2 cos 60 plus cos A, this root 3 by 2 sin 60 equal, this is root 3 by 2 sin 60 into cos B minus cos 60 into sin B. Okay. This is in the form of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. We have formula sin A plus 60. On right side, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. This will be sin A minus B, 60 minus B. Okay. If same sign trigonometry functions, the angles are equal. A plus 60 is equal to 60 minus B. Both sides 60 get cancelled. So A is equal, we got minus B. Okay. So what is our target? Required is sin 3A plus sin 3B. This will be sin of 3 times of A. A value we have got minus B, right? 3 into minus B plus sin 3B. So sin of minus theta is minus sin theta minus sin 3B plus sin 3B. Get cancelled, answer is 0. Okay, moving on, next question. Where alpha beta lies between 0 to pi by 4, cos alpha plus beta value given, sin alpha minus beta also, then find out tan 2 alpha. Okay, our target is 2 alpha. 2 alpha can be written as alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. In this beta get cancelled, 2 alpha is equal to 2 alpha. Okay, taking tan on both sides, tan 2 alpha, this is required. Tan of alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. Okay, by using tan A plus B formula, we have tan A, tan alpha plus beta plus tan B, where B placed in right alpha minus beta, upon 1 minus tan alpha plus beta into tan alpha minus beta. Okay, tan alpha plus beta first our target. So what is given? Cos alpha plus beta value given 4/5. From this triangle, this is angle alpha plus beta, adjacent side by hypotenuse, opposite side is 3. From this triangle, tan alpha plus beta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side 3/4. Next our target tan alpha minus beta. But what is given? Sin alpha minus beta equal to 5/13. Alpha minus beta, opposite side by hypotenuse, adjacent side is 12. Okay, by using Pythagoras rule. From this triangle, tan alpha minus beta is equal to 5/12. By denominator 1 minus 3/4 times of 3/4 into 5/12. So let us do LCM. 48, 12 3 is 36 plus 20 by 48. In denominator 48 minus 50. 48 minus 15. So 48 get cancelled. This answer will be 56/33. What is the answer? 56/33. Okay, look at the next question. In triangle ABC, tan B is equal to 2 sin A sin C by sin A plus C given condition. Then tan A, tan B, tan C are in AP, arithmetic progression. Second option GP, geometric progression, harmonic progression. AZP, arithmetic, geometric progression. Okay. So what is given condition? Tan B equal to 2 sin A sin C upon sin A plus C. Okay. So let us do reciprocal of this fraction. So tan B by 1. The reciprocal of tan B by 1, this is nothing but 1 by tan B is equal to the reciprocal of this value sin A plus C by 2 sin A sin C. So 1 by tan B is nothing but cot B is equal to, we have sin A plus C formula, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. So divided by 2 sin A sin C. In this one sin C get cancelled. Okay. One sin A get cancelled. So cot B is equal to, in this 1 by 2 take out common, cos C by sin C, we get cot C, cos A by sin A, cot A. So let us do LCM. Let us do cross product. 2 cot B is equal to, 2 cot B is equal to cot A plus cot C. Okay. This is the, in the form of 2B is equal to A plus C. If 2B is equal to A plus C, then A, B, C are in AP. In this one, 2B is equal to A plus C. Therefore, A, B, C are in AP. Okay. In this cot, where A placed in cot A, where B placed in cot B, right? Cot B, cot C. So cot A, cot B, cot C are in AP. But what is required? Tan A, tan B, tan C. So cot A, cot B, cot C are in AP. The reciprocals of cot A, cot B, cot C are tan A, tan B, tan C are in the reciprocal of AP. So 1 by AP is nothing but HP, harmonic progression. So what is the answer? Third option correct. Let us go to the next problem. In triangle ABC, one condition is given, cot A plus cot B plus cot C equal to √3. Then triangle ABC is. So options are given. Okay. So let us take A is equal to, B is equal to, C is equal to 60 degrees. Okay. What is given condition? Cot A plus cot B plus cot C is equal to √3. So where ABC value substitute cot 60 plus cot 60 plus cot 60. Cot 60 value 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3, 3 by root 3 this is. So 3 by root 3 is nothing but root 3. So root 3 is equal to root 3. This condition is satisfied. If A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 60, then this given condition is satisfied. Therefore, triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. Okay, look at the next question. If A plus B plus C equal to 90, then find out sigma tan A into tan B. Sigma tan A into tan B. So what is given condition? A plus B plus C is equal to 90. Therefore, A plus B equal to 90 minus C. Okay. Now applying tangent on both sides. Tan of A plus B is equal to tan 90 minus C. Tan 90 minus theta, this will be cot C. Okay. We have tan A plus B formula, tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay, now I say that cot C formula 1 by tan C. Okay, let us do cross product. Okay, this value will be tan A tan C plus tan B tan C is equal to 1 time of 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay, 1 into 1 minus tan A tan B, this will be 1 minus tan A tan B. This minus tan A tan B bring the left side. So tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A. This will be 1. So tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A, this is nothing but sigma summation tan A into tan B is equal to 1. What is the answer? So answer is 1. Okay, now moving on, next question. If A plus B plus C 90, then find out sigma cot A. Okay, so what is given condition? A plus B equal to 90 minus C. Okay, now applying cotangent on both sides. Cotangent means cot. Cot A plus B is equal to cot 90 minus C. So cot 90 minus C, we have tan C. So tan C value write 1 by cot C. So we have cot A plus B formula, cot A, cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. This will be equal to 1 by cot C. Okay, let us do cross product. This value will be cot A, cot B, cot C minus 1 into cot C. This will be, so 1 into this value cot B plus cot A. This minus cot C bring the right side. Therefore cot A, cot B, cot C is equal to cot A plus cot B plus cot C. So what is required? Sigma cot A. Sigma cot A means cot A plus cot B plus cot C. So answer is cot A, cot B, cot C. Therefore sigma cot A equal to cot A, cot B, cot C. Okay. So sigma cot A answer cot A, cot B, cot C. We have sigma A is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. Let us go to the next problem. If A plus B plus C equal 180, then find out sigma cot A cot B. Okay. What is given condition? A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. But our target is sigma cot A cot B. So this is applying cotangent on both sides. Cot A plus B is equal to cot 180 minus C. Okay, cot 180 minus theta is minus cot theta. Because 180 minus C, second quadrant, cot is negative. So minus cot C. We have cot A plus B formula, cot A, cot B, minus 1 by cot B plus cot A is equal to minus cot C. Okay, by 1. Let us do cross product. This value will be cot A, cot B minus 1 equal to minus cot C into cot B plus cot A. So minus cot B, cot C minus cot A, cot C. Okay. So minus cot B, cot C minus cot A, cot C, bring the left side. So this minus 1 bring the right side. So what is cot A, cot B plus cot B, cot C plus cot C, cot A is equal to 1. Okay. This value we got it. So this cot A, cot B plus cot B, cot C plus cot C, cot A. This can be written as sigma cot A, cot B. So what is the answer? 1 answer. Answer is 1. Okay, moving on, next question. A plus B plus C 180, then find out sigma tan A. Okay, what is given condition? A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. Okay, what is required? Sigma tan A. Now taking tangent on both sides. So tan of A plus B is equal to tan 180 minus C. So 180 minus C, in second quadrant tan is negative, so minus tan C. We have tan A plus B formula, tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. This will be minus tan C. So let us do cross product. Tan A plus tan B equal to minus tan C multiply with 1 minus tan A. 1 minus tan A tan B. So minus tan C into 1 minus tan C. So minus into minus plus tan C, tan A, tan B. Tan A, tan B, tan C. This minus tan C brings left side. Tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to, okay, tan A into tan B into tan C. So tan A plus tan B plus tan C, this can be written as sigma tan A. So sigma tan A is equal, what is the answer? Tan A into tan B into tan C. This is answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.